If you're looking for a cheap, portable electric scooter for short city rides, the Navee V25 Pro is actually a pretty solid pick. The biggest win here is portability. It has this clever double-fold design, so it gets super compact and easy to carry onto public transport or store under a desk. At about 17 kilos, it's manageable for most people. It also comes with 10-inch air-filled tires, which is rare at this price. That means smoother rides over cracks and rough sidewalks compared to those harsh, solid-tire scooters. You also get decent safety features like front EABS braking, a rear disc brake, built-in turn signals, and even a hidden AirTag slot for extra security. But there are trade-offs. The battery is pretty small, so in real life expect around 14 to 18 kilometers, not the advertised 25. Hill climbing is also weak with its 300-watt motor, and there's no real suspension, so potholes and rough roads can feel rough. Bottom line, if your commute is short and portability matters, it's worth it. But for long rides, steep hills, or comfort, you'll want something more powerful,